guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be building a simple wee knife jig. Basically a wee metal frame that you can hod a knife blank in to hand polish if you want. So I've got this wee idea. I've not really written it and drawn it and and I'm just going to get to it. I'm going to be using this old square metal sheet tube here. It's off a old trampoline, and you'll notice that in my videos most of the things I use are recycled things like that. I don't really tend to buy new. If I've not got certain materials, then obviously I'll buy new, but most of the time I will source things for various places. But right there is what I'm going to use. Old metal square tubing, and as I say, I've not really got a specific idea. Got a rough idea in my head of how I'm going to build it shape, but we'll need to do it step by step and see how we get there. So come along, join me. Let's get to it. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed watching that there. That was a bit different for me. I've not welded in a while. Welds turned out alright. They were, we grind them down, wee bit of paint, look alright, solid. So turned out pretty much the way I had thought. Had to start a wee rough idea, design in my mind, the way I wanted it to sit in the jack, come up, hold the blade in. So it's turned out pretty much the way that I'd wanted, and it's operational in the way that I thought. So I'll show you it now. So basically got the bracket there like that, the knob up the top, hole there, got a wee bit of leather there, put it in my vise, got it in the vise like that, tighten it up, like that, and then get your knife, put your knife in there, tighten it down with a wee knob, which I've threaded the hole in there, so, and it tightens it up pretty tight. It's not going anywhere, and you can hand sand it, hand polish it, which I like sanding the knives this way. It's a lot easier to do it when with the sander grinder like that, but I enjoy sitting sanding it, taking scratches, polishing it this way. Like, so that's why I made this wee thing. Like, it's a pretty useful wee tool for knife making, I guess. I'm sure there's probably there's probably all designs out there like that. I've seen a couple of wee ones similar, but they're like sharpening jigs like that. I've not really seen one specifically like that. It was just had a wee idea in my head about it being up there and being able to get in that way. I still need to cut a wee hole in the side of it, so the knob can go in that way, so that we can have the knife sideways. Because when I was welding it up, when I was welding this bit, I actually done it backwards, so that bit should be down there. I had made the holes here. If you remember at the start of the video, I'd made the holes and threaded day ones, so I made a mistake and I put them in that way. So I've just put one hole there the now, and I'll put another one in here, thread it, so that the knob can go in there, so that it can be held sideways. So there we go. Rather enjoyed building that. Hadn't welded in a while, so it was a success to me like that. So if you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button. If you enjoy the content of my channel, subscribe for future content, as there will be many videos in the future making, fabricating wood, metal. If you like that, or you think it can be improved, whatnot, comment below, tell me what you think, give me some feedback. So again, thanks for watching the video, guys. I appreciate every one of you who watched this video. So thank you, guys, and I look forward to the next build. I hope you do. See you in the next build, and build something, guys. Build something. Take it easy. See you well.